This money I've been getting every day. Young ass nigga, I'm a god to the ways, yeah. Whole squad don't belong in the city, nigga. Who am I to say the shit again? Way private in this bitch, you's a fuck nigga. 10 shots on your block, no luck nigga. Talking about the bitches that'll change for the game, for the niggas that'll try to switch lanes for the fame. On me, I've been stressed out, thinking that I never really changed the city. Now you niggas need to get laid out. Mind full of shit, never got to pay now. Was a quiet ass kid, but I'm insane now. Stay to myself, but I'm okay now. Bitches tryna test, but I'm lost in the clouds.
What's going on, everybody? That is my baby Lena, and that is my homeboy Mari. Ghost Recon 0312 on everything. And this is my 1998 Mitsubishi Eclipse GS. Don't worry, I didn't do that. And I dang sure didn't get that done. But we did gut the interior. I got this car for $500. The guy was getting rid of it, so he had a couple of projects, and the fact that, I don't know, it kept having a start issue. Well, turns out I found a start issue was really and truly just a battery cable. Win-win for me. But eventually get a gel battery. This is a GS model. It has sunroof. It fires right up, runs good, 420A motor. Car's 23 years old from factory. Everybody knows, 140 horsepower. The Fast and Furious special, but this is one like Fast and Delirious. What do you think, Fast and Delirious?
For now, yeah.
Fast and Delirious, eh? You see that right there? That's a turbo. I wish it had a turbo is what it is. Dual overhead cam, 2.0 liter. It still got original badges. I mean, everything works on this car. Even AC, everything works. Probably the first thing that's really gonna get done is getting the interior fixed up. Let me put the stick up. I know that is a heavy hood, but we done took out the interior. That's the carpet. 23-year-old carpet. This could look way worse than what you're seeing now. We took it up to the wash, high pressure washed it. So right now it's just on the back of the truck, letting it dry. It's just sitting on the back of Super Shadow. Yeah, I said it, Super Shadow. Follow the car crew too at the crew at Overcome CC on YouTube. That is also the Instagram channel, right?
Yeah.
Overcome CC.
Yes,
Trust
sir.
me, you'll know us when you see this badge right here. Not that one. That's my name. Remember that. When you see that badge, that's how you know you're at the right channel. Follow us. Big things coming. This is the new project car. First, that has to get finished because I still got wheels, bumper that I haven't got to yet because of work, and also lowering this thing down and finishing the whole mural on the other side. But other than that, his car is actually parked up at the top because too low to come in here.
Yeah.
Too low. We slammed it, but
Yeah.
too low. But other than that,
Gotta find a better location, eh?
say what?
Gotta find a better location.
Something. I mean, I know you can get down, but you heard that you ain't gonna get back up.
I'm not willing to take that risk.
They did put us on the second row, but it's all good.
There's a number 117. It looked empty. You should ask him about it.
I'm gonna have to, because coming down here is kind of ridiculous.
Speed bump at the entrance.
Oh yeah, you ain't getting over that speed bump, so that's his only biggest problem. We gotta take a grind that speed bump down. Probably take a picture of it on the way out, show y'all what it look like. But other than that, that's the new project that's gonna probably be in phase while this one is still getting finished up. But that's my 98. Your turn.
Yep. Jelly.
Your turn.
You got no more respect though. I taught you well.
For real. You know Amari's fact. I made that thing some purple rims.
straying away from the mission.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all next time.
I meant to record earlier. I was just feeling lazy. Lamont pretty much gutted the whole car. He's gonna try to spray off and clean off the carpet. I took out this side of the carpet. Oh, there's a dime, hidden dime right there. You should vacuum it first and then pressure wash it. See, everything's out.
Here, huh?
Okay. As y'all see, we gutted like everything out.
I know he behind me though, bro.
I don't know. That Oreo down there. Just for those of you that remember to figure out how old this car is. Anyone remembers that?
The Eckers drugstore.
Oh my god. That's crazy. He pulled out all the golly. It's not what I mean. I don't do drugs.
We ain't got no drugs.
Drain plug holes on both sides of the... Did you do the passenger?
Yeah, the passenger.
Okay.
And the driver right here.
Yeah, and now he's about to pressure wash this car because yeah, it needs a wash. Needs some love. Showing you guys.
Recording?
Yeah. It already looks way better than before.
For real. Just as a disclaimer, anytime you pressure wash cars, let it bake in the sun. I don't care what year it is. You don't want to mess up your electronics like that.
Your first white car?
My first white car ever.
You got that Amari spec.
I had white rim, first white car ever.
Looking way better already. And yeah, the white is coming back. That's disgusting. I'm about to change the color. Look at that.
20-year-old car.
24-year-old car. Or sorry, 3.
23-year-old car. It's got 420A motor in there, 140 horsepower, but it's been 23 years, so it's probably only got 100, right?
Oh my lord. That's wild.
I think these shits is new.
They look new.
Because he
So,
was saying he
you
was
need
working on the top end, and the only thing he didn't get to was the bottom.
Okay. So you need to change your what? You just need a complete tune up.
Yeah, completely. Yes.
You need to drain what? That's the coolant.
The
Overflow
double
tank.
flush.
Yeah, double flush.
Double flush of the
brake
coolant,
fluid.
brake fluid fresh, oil change, the air filter, this shit. I'm not gonna fuck with the transmission. That shit don't seem to be leaking. Change the oil pan gasket, aftermarket exhaust, air intake, let it ride. Right on that 420A motor.
Cool.
Color trimmed up.
Just so you guys can see, we're letting, he's letting it air dry. Letting that heat soak up all the water and everything.
And yes,
It looks-
started up and drove back down.
Yeah, we didn't have no problems. The inside is actually white now. There's a lot of black spots. I don't know if you guys caught it in the last video, but yeah. I also think we forgot to mention, this car has, that's the timing belt, right?
Yeah, the serpentine belt.
The serpentine belt that's making that noise, and it has a mean ass exhaust leak. Like, you could probably see the smoke. Yeah, that shit stinks too. I'm happy for him though. He's gonna treat this car like a baby. Now we gotta pull it into the garage. Also, apparently this is a Mitsubishi thing, but when the turn signal is blinking like that, you gotta, there's one of the bulbs that's messing up. So in this case, it's the front headlight. And the reason he's scraping is because there's a piece.
I gotta cut that piece on that.
me get behind you, let you know when to stop?
Yeah, I got that one thing.
All right, guys.